This part number is located on the passenger side, right behind the engine filter. And the way you take it off, you have this wire right here. All you do is just lift it up at the top, and it come down like that. Then you open this cover right here. You notice the cover have a different shape at the top from the bottom, so it only go on one way. And then this your filter right here. Notice that filter look like it haven't been changed in a while. And that's some of the stuff I noticed with this truck, is that the person who had it before wasn't really maintaining the truck. And I'll leave a part number up here for it. And that's how you put it in.